Okay, I was encouraged by the pea grow. The density was phenomenal. So let's try some popcorn. This is just a variety I got online. Baby white, extra small and tender from Amish country. And so why not? And I'm planting, this is just two solo cups, a little less than a solo cup in each one of those, complete to the rim. I mean, it's a little lower than, maybe about that far from the top of two solo cups, one in each jar. So we're going to plant that into one tray. First we got to soak them overnight. That's what it looks like 12 or 14 hours later. That's the planting there. It's pretty dense. I'm trying to sort of see if I can push the density levels for this grow. So we got my antifungal spray, and I'm going to spray it big time. The bleach treatment did, I think, the initial sanitizing, but I'm going to keep this antifungal on it for at least once a day for a few days when they come up, and that's just extra insurance. We're also going to put a blackout dome on these until they get some length to them. I only want to do that for a few days until they get up, and then when they get up I'll start watering from the bottom with a little bit of nutrient added, and I will put shade cloth over instead of a humidity dome. This is what the corn looks like. This is the corn now, and it received its first rinse outside. I took the humidity dome off. We're going to leave it off now, and I rinsed it outside on a very gentle garden stream from the hose, and we're going to leave the humidity dome off, and we're going to spray the antifungal on it, thoroughly drench it, let it go into the bottom tray, and put some shade cloth on it this time. And the reason why we're going to do that is to encourage or have a dark environment without all the humidity and potential issues. So let me do that. There it is now on the second shelf out of the LED light. Got a lot of ambient light, but the shade cloth should help with that. And it's breathable. It's got lots of holes in it, so should keep the humidity down. This is the corn the very next day. I'm kind of freaked out. That grew a lot. There was a couple pieces that stuck in here, and I tasted it. And the corn tastes really sweet. I can't believe how sweet it is, but it's got like a artificial sweetener taste. Not like a sugar sweetener taste. It tastes kind of like not that I've tasted grass, but I imagine grass that is sweetened with sucralose or aspartame. That's what it tastes like to me. Next day, let's try one now. Yesterday they were really tender. Tasted like artificial sweetener. Let's try this one today. About the same as yesterday. Maybe a little more fibers. Maybe a little bit. This is the corn now. It looks really good. Last time I had a little bit, I've tried this once before and had a little bit of mold issue, and I just couldn't bring myself to eat it, so I decided to start over. And what I did was I used a vented instead of keeping it you know, completely moisture, the humid area under the dome. I vented it this time, and I made sure that I had a nutrient and it didn't come up into this area. So basically the only thing that's touching down, it's getting moist, is the roots. So let's try one of these now that it's a little older. I think I pulled another one. Huh. Okay. So let's try this one. And these are about, my guess would be about 4 inches. Yeah, 4 to 5 inches actually. That's what it looks like now. It's a little bit bitter. Same grass taste. And it finishes with a really sweet, like I said before, artificial flavoring, artificial sugar taste. So it's still similar. And here's my corn harvest day. I'd say they're about 5 inches or so. And yeah, I got a thick mat, a really thick mat of grassy tasting corn. It is sweet though. So yeah, that's what the roots look like. They work pretty good. They look pretty good. And one of the things about a no medium is you can rinse them and you can hold it upside down and shake it, and any that may have been laying over will pop back up straight, or any little kernels or what have you that didn't start growing, they will fall out. It's really been pleasant growing no medium, and that's the same thing with these corns. They were grown no medium as well, so pretty dense. All right, we've cut it all, and here is the finished product. It's a pretty good product. However, I don't think these are going to make it in the house. I just don't care for them, nor does the wife. They have that artificial sweetener taste to them. At least that's what comes through to me. But this is a no medium grow, so the value of it is, for those of you who do like corn shoots, you can definitely grow them no medium if you choose to. Let's bag these up and see how much they weigh. Alright, there it is in a plastic bag. Let's turn the scale on. Not going to be very much. Huh? It's actually more than I thought it was going to be. A shade over a pound of corn from 110/20 flat.